Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2003 Mazda 6, stock number 6699. This ran from the 9th 2002 to the 4th 2005. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is the L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front door mirror, left front door 3 dents. Left rear 17-inch factory Mazda tyre, left hand tail light, rear boot lid 1 dent, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory Mazda tyre, right rear door 5 dents, right hand door mirror, right front 17-inch factory Mazda tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory 6-stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,